In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit global content in HubSpot. Editing global content is essential for maintaining consistent branding and messaging across your website. Whether you're updating a header, a footer, or any other component that appears on multiple pages, making changes in one place will automatically update it everywhere it appears. This can save you a lot of time and ensure that your site remains cohesive and professional. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the page on your HubSpot account where the global content is located. This might be a web page or a landing page where the header or footer displays. Once you're there, hover your mouse over the area you intend to edit, either the header or the footer. As you hover, you should notice a small globe icon appearing, which indicates that this is a piece of global content. Along with the globe icon, you'll see a label that reads either global group or global module. This label helps to identify that the content can be adjusted globally, affecting all instances across your website. Now, with the global content identified, the next step is to click on Edit Global Content. This action will open up the editor specifically designed for global content management. By doing this, you'll enter a mode where you can make changes that will reflect site-wide. It's important to remember that any edits you make here will automatically update in every location where this global content is used. Therefore, it's wise to double-check your changes for accuracy and consistency. As you make your edits, feel free to update text, images, links, or any other elements that are part of the global content. If you're updating a header, consider how the changes might impact navigation or user experience. For footers, you might want to ensure that contact information and links are current. Take advantage of the preview feature in HubSpot to see how your changes will look before publishing. This can help you spot any design issues or misalignments that might not be immediately obvious during editing. Once you're satisfied with your edits, save your changes. HubSpot usually provides a straightforward save or publish option, ensuring that your updates go live seamlessly. After saving, take a moment to navigate through your website to confirm that the global changes have been applied correctly across all pages. This quick check can help you catch any discrepancies early on. And there you have it. Editing global content in HubSpot is a simple yet powerful way to manage your website's design and functionality consistently. By following these steps, you can ensure that your site remains up to date and aligned with your brand's identity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful HubSpot tips and tricks.